Hi guys, I'm Joe from the UK. I've been playing drums for about 16 years in multiple different bands. The band that I'm in now is called Shadow Smile, and you can find us on all forms of social media at Shadow Smile Music. The drumstick size that I play is 2Bs. And what I love about the Collision 2B is they're super weighty, very durable, and they have got a very nice balance. Another thing that I like about the Collision brand as a whole is that they are very community driven. The fact that you can just go to the Facebook page, ask for help, talk to like-minded people, and do collaborations is great. The song that I'm about to play is from our debut album, Signed in Blood, and the song is called Take What You Can, Give Nothing Back.